In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get the sheet name in Google Sheets. We are going to do this using Google Apps Script, which lets you create a custom function that works like a normal spreadsheet formula. Once it is set up, you can type a simple formula in any cell, and it will return the name of the current sheet tab. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. In the top menu, click Extensions, then select Apps Script. This opens a new tab with the Apps Script editor. If you have never used it before, do not worry. We only need a small amount of code. In the editor, you may see a default function already there, often called myfunction. Click inside the code area, select any existing code, and delete it so you have a clean file. Now paste in this custom function /** at custom function */function. Sheet name, return spreadsheet app get active spreadsheet. Akagafidit, na agahevit not mem. This script uses the active spreadsheet, grabs the active sheet, and returns its name. The comment at the top tells Google Sheets that this is a custom function, so you can call it directly from a cell. Next, click the Save icon, which looks like a small disk. The first time you save, Google will ask you to name your project. Give it a simple name that helps you remember what it is for, then confirm the save. Now return to your Spreadsheet tab. Click any empty cell where you want the sheet name to appear. Type the formula equals sheet name, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then press Enter. After a moment, the cell should display the name of the current sheet tab. One important note, custom functions do not always refresh automatically when you rename a sheet tab. If you rename the tab and the cell does not update, you can force a refresh by adding a dummy reference, like equals sheet name, open parenthesis, a 1 close parenthesis. With that approach, the value will refresh whenever the reference cell changes. And that is all there is to it.